Hello children, I welcome you all in the maths class. This is the part 3 of chapter number 9, algebraic expression and identities. Today we are going to start exercise 9.1. So very first question of this exercise is identify the terms and their coefficient for each of the following expression. Now I hope you all know the difference between terms and coefficient. So let's solve the first question. So first question, we are having different parts, total 6 parts we are having. So one question is given in front of us. We have to write the term and coefficient of the following. Okay, so let's start our very first part, that is 5xyz square minus 3zy sorry. So now what are terms here? Let's see what are terms here. So 5xyz square is the first term here, and next term will be 3zy. So in this part you are having two terms. First is fxyz square and another is minus 3zy. Now we need to find out the coefficient. Coefficient means the numeric value in a term. So in this numeric value is 5, so coefficient will be 5. And this numeric value is minus 3, so coefficient will be minus 3. Getting my point? Now next expression we are having 1 plus x square. So terms will be 1x square. Now if you observe here, in 1 only 1 is written, no number is there, so coefficient will be 1 here. Now in this x, no numeric value is there, so we can assume that numeric value is 1. And this also, any numeric value is not given, so we can assume numeric value is 1. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Next part is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. So terms are 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square and z square. So coefficient will be numeric value. So here coefficient will be 4. Here is minus 4, and in z square no numeric value is there, so initially it can be 1. So in this way we can write the coefficient and term for the following parts. Let's move to the next part. So next part we are having 3 minus pq plus qr minus 2p. So write the terms. 3 is the first term, minus pq is second term, qr is the third term, minus rp. Okay, now here no variable is there, so coefficient will be 3. Here no number is there, so coefficient will be minus 1. qr no number is there, coefficient will be 1. r minus rp no number is there, coefficient will be minus 1. So this will be your answer. Next part is x square, x divided by 2 plus y divided by 2 minus xy. So coefficient will be, sorry, terms will be x by 2, y by 2 and minus xy. So how we can write the coefficient now? Here coefficient will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and minus 1. So in this way you can write the coefficients. Okay, now last part in this question is this: 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5ab. Let's write the terms. 0.3a is the first term, minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. Okay, so let's write the coefficient. Coefficient will be 0.3 minus 0.6, only numeric value we will take, plus 0.5. So this will be your coefficient. So let's move to the next question. So our next question is question number 2. Classify the following polynomials. Now we are having 3 types of polynomial. First is binomial, who is having 1 term. Second is trinomial, who is having 3 terms. And one is monomial, one term is missing here. Monomial who is having one term, binomial who is having two terms, trinomial who is having three terms. Now except one term, two term and three term, if any example is there, that come in the category of polynomial only. Okay, let's start. X plus y, how many terms we are having? 1 and 2. So this will be your binomial. So this will be your binomial. Okay, now 1000, this will be your monomial because only one term is there. So now let's see the third part. 1 2 3 4, 4 are there. So monomial, binomial, trinomial, all three are not existing in this type. So this is polynomial only because in this we are having 4 terms. Okay, let's move to the fourth part. Fourth part is 1 2 3, 3 terms are there. So this is the example of trinomial. Okay, now next is 2y minus 3y square, 2 terms are there, binomial. Now 1 2 3, 3 terms are there, so trinomial. Now let's move to the next question. 5x minus 4y plus 3xy, 3 terms are there, it is trinomial. Now 4z minus 3z square, 2 terms are there, it will be your binomial. Next part is AB, BC, CD, DA, 4 terms are there. So this is the example of polynomial. This, see last part, 1 2, 2 terms are there, binomial, it is a binomial. Now next is PQR. PQR is only one term, so this will be your monomial. Okay, now last part, 1 2, 2 terms are there, so this is the example of binomial. So in this way you can categorize the polynomials. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now in the next question, add the following. Now I will show you addition in two methods, in row method or in simple way. First of all, we have to add these expression together. So we can write AB minus BC, instead of comma you can write plus here, BC minus CA. Now instead of comma you can write plus here, CA minus AB. Okay, now this CA is positive and this CA is negative, they will cancel out each other. This AB is negative and this AB is positive, they will cancel out each other. Minus BC and plus BC, so both cancel out each other, you will get 0 answer. So this is a simple way how to add. Now let's see with the row method. So first expression, write down AB minus BC in the first row. Second is BC minus CA. Now this BC we can write in this way here, and CA is not there in the expression 1, so you can write in the separate. Okay, so this will be your second row. CA minus AB. Now CA you can write in the third row minus AB. So in this way you can represent. So this CA cancel out each other, this BC cancel out each other, and this AB cancel out each other. So in this way also you can solve, and in this way also you can solve, but both methods you should know. Let's move to the next part. Now next part, again you need to add. Let's add A minus B plus AB, instead of comma plus sign, minus B plus B minus C plus BC. Now instead of this comma write plus C minus A plus AC. Now this A is negative and this A is positive, cancel out each other. Now this B is negative, this B is positive, cancel out each other. This C is negative and this C is positive, cancel out each other. Now this AB, this BC and this AC, we are not able to do anything, so write as it is. So this will be your answer. So this is a simple method to add. So in this way you can easily add. So you can add in the row method also. Let's see how. Write this first expression, A minus B plus AB B minus C plus BC. Now B is there in the first, so you can write here minus C is outside, plus B is outside, because both are not in expression 1. Now C minus A, so plus C minus A plus AC. AC will write outside. So these three cancel out each other. So you will remain with AB plus BC plus AC. So both methods, I am telling you, both methods are right to solve the above question. Let's move to the next part. Again, next part is there. You have to add. So add 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. This is your first expression. Instead of this comma, you can add 5 plus 7pq minus 3pq square. Okay, now like terms take together. This is p square q square, this is p square q square. So 2p square q square minus 3pq square, it means plus 2 minus 3. Minus we will do, so you will get minus p square q square. We always take the greater number sign. So 3 is greater than 2, so we are taking 3 sign, minus sign. Now this and this are the like term. Let's take together. Minus 3pq plus 7pq, it gives you 4pq, because minus plus always minus, but we will take the greater number sign. So 7 is greater number, so we are going to take this sign. 4 plus 5 will be your 9. So this will be your answer. In this way you can easily add. Okay, let's move to the next part. Next part is L square plus M square. Instead of this comma, use plus sign. M square plus N square plus N square plus L square plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Now this L and this L 2 times, so instead of 2 times we can write 2L square. This M square and this M square written 2 times, you can write 2M square. This N square and this N square is written 2 times, you can write 2N square. Now rest term you can copy easily. 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Okay, now in full expression 2 is common. You can take 2 outside and write L square M square N square plus LM plus MN plus NL. Okay, so in this way you can solve this question. Let's move to the next question. Now children, next question, question number 4 is of subtraction. So 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from this. So we know that whenever from is written, so if 3 from 4 it is written, it means 4 is the above one and 3 will be the below one. So 4 minus 3 you have to do. So it means when subtraction is there, you have to write this rightmost portion first. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 you will write first, then minus, because we need to do subtraction, then bracket and write this first part. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Okay, now when we open the bracket, the sign of this, the rightmost side will change. Okay, so 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now this minus go inside. 4 is positive, you will write minus 4a, minus minus plus 7ab, this minus this plus minus 3b, minus plus minus 12. Now take all like terms together. 12a and 4a subtract with each other, you will get 8a. Minus 9ab plus 7b gives you minus 2ab. This 5b minus 3b gives you plus 2b, and minus 3 and minus 12 gives you minus 15. So this will be your answer. Okay, so in this way you can subtract. So I will tell you the row method as well as for subtracting. Let's see that method. So First of all, you have to write this part above. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay, now 4a you can write here minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Okay, but here is difference. When we are doing subtraction, we have to change the sign of the below row. How you can change the sign? Now if plus sign is there, you have to put minus. If plus sign is there, you have to put minus. If minus sign is there, you have to put plus, and if plus sign is there, you have to put minus. Now this below portion, whatever they are having sign, no matters, because we have changed. So how you can do subtraction? Minus 3 minus 12, you will have minus 15, plus 5b minus 3b, you will get 2b, minus 9ab plus 7ab, you will get minus 2ab, 12a minus 4a, you will get 8a. So see, you are getting the same answer in both the cases. So both methods are right. You can use any method. Let's move to the next question. And next part also you have to subtract. First term is first expression is 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from this. So write from part first. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay, so I have written. Now put these value below here. So plus 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Okay, now we have to change the sign. Okay, so nothing is here. Minus convert into plus, plus convert into minus, this plus convert into minus. Now this signs no matters, we are going to use the new sign. So this plus 10xyz will be same because we are having nothing in the expression 2, minus 2zx plus 7zx, plus minus minus, so gives you 5zx but positive, because 7 is having positive sign here. Okay, now minus 2yz minus 5yz, minus minus plus, minus 7yz plus xy minus 3xy gives you 2xy with the positive sign. So this will be your answer. So this is the short method. Row method is the short method. You can use any method. Okay, let's move to the next part. See children, this part is the last part of this exercise. So I am giving you this part as homework. Write this below part first, then write this expression 1. Okay, so try to do with both methods and find out the solution. So this I am giving you homework. Till now, take care of yourself. I am ending this video now. We will meet soon in the part 4 with the new exercise 9.2. Sai Ram.